To find out how I achieved this look for just 2,000 naira, please keep watching. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaraarti. Whoop whoop whoop. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back, and to my new subscribers, you're very much welcome. Please feel at home. I know it's been a long time we did a hair tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful and affordable hair and different ways in which you can style them. Without further ado, let's head right into the video.
Starting off with a healthy hair like mine, then going in with a tail comb to part my hair. So I'm not parting my hair into half. I think this is like quarter parting because of the style that I want to do. But then also you can also part your hair into half if you want to. And I'm using this sewing tray to hold firm the parted part of my hair, to make it firm and smooth and tight. Then I'll be knotting it, weaving it first of all, then knotting it into a donut. Yeah, I think that was called donut. Also making sure that I use a hairband to hold the knot firmly, using the crochet pin and the hair from Expression. This is Expression crochet coily hair. This is in color 1, and this is what it looks like. So I'll just stretch it out and divide it into 2 equal parts. So now I'm taking one part of the half and I'm dividing this one into 3 equal parts. So this is this is the size. Yeah, this is the size I'm going to be using to crochet my hair. Now I'm going to be putting my hair into a cornrow, the back part of my hair, the part that's remaining that I didn't put into a knot. I'm going to be putting that or weaving that into a cornrow. So now we have our hair in cornrows. Let's get right into business. So I'll be crocheting the hair using the same size that I showed you earlier on, the one I divided into 3 equal parts, and that's what I'm going to be the same size I'm going to use to crochet this hair. And without further ado, I'm going to fast forward the process to the point where I am done crocheting. If you want to see a detailed video on how to crochet a hair, I'll be leaving the link up, or I'll be leaving it in my description box below so that you can see how to crochet a hair from start to finish. Without further ado again, I'm just going to fast forward it to the point where I'm done because of time. Yeah, I'm trying to not, spend so much time or make you watch a video for so long, so I'm just going to fast forward that. I'm done crocheting the hair. Now I'll be moving on to using my petal styling gel to style up my hair. This black gel has been a lifesaver for me because it doesn't leave white flakes on my hair compared to other styling gels that I have been using. So I'll be laying the knotted part of my hair smooth, sleek, and laying out my edges, making them as sharp as two-edged sword. So be taking this part of the crochet hair and the rubber band to tie it into the manner that you're seeing me do. So for this part, I just took a few of the crochets and divided them into like a whole lot. I don't know how many I divided them into, but just to make it as full as you're seeing it right now. And I'll be tying it on this knot, on the knot I have on my hair, on the donuts rather. And taking out a strand from the hair to, you know, roll or tighten it up into a high ponytail. Yeah, I think that's what this hair is going to be called, half ponytail. Like I didn't even think about what I'm going to call this hairstyle. Man, I need to learn the hair terms very well. So yeah, this is how you achieve the half high ponytail. Yeah. And also using the bobby pin to secure the hair. You know we can't do without our bobby pins. And voila! Ooh la la! Check out this beauty. Damn! Girl! You see the hairstyle? Oh, she's giving us another style. Oh, the side ponytail. Wow! Girl, what's your name? Can I get your number? Who's your mama? Ah, another one. Okay, this is the donut. Rolling the hair into a bun, a donut, whichever one you want to call it. Just take the hair in front and just wrap it around your hair in the desired style that you want. Just make sure you put it into a bun. And yes, this is it. And there you have it. These are the styles for the high crochet ponytail. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. See you in my next video. Mwah.